Me too.
This side eye is serious. Charlie. Hey, no, stop it. Get back in there.
You are killing me, and you are guaranteeing your spot attached to the fence with a hose and some shampoo. This, oh my God, this is my dog.
What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Hmm?
Gonna lay right here and have myself a little nappy. A nice little nappy do. A little macaroni and cheese, if you will.
As far as I'm aware, the answer to every problem is dog. Bad day at work, dog. Depression, dog. Anxiety, dog. Friend problems, dog. There is no other solution.
Bailey, you want a treat?
It still is in my heart. One of my favorites is when reminds me of the elegance and posture.
Who's a good boy? You are. Yeah.
Come on, get up. Yes. Get up.
No.
No.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Silver pan, you cannot tear it up.
Mama, Callie, don't you do it. Mama, stand up, go home.
Violet, drop the duck. Drop it.
Manual carrier. You know what to do. Come on. See, I could be a father. I'm ready, Frank. Is this how you pick up your kids?
Is this just how you sleep now? What are you doing?
Hi, puppy. What are you doing?
What are you guarding now? Okay. What is it? What is that?
Stop! Stop!
Smells really good. What are you doing? Estamos haciéndole su comida. Is this for them? Para mi tesoro, sí. I'm not gonna touch her.
What is this? What is this?
Wait. Wait.
Come on.
Your dog's drinking your ice cream.
Ven aquí. Rina. Ven aquí. Tuna, ven aquí.
You don't have to sit.
It's okay, Kelly. Come here, honey. Come here.
I'm so hungry I could eat a sausage.
Huh?
Oh, Steve. Where did this come from?
Oh.
Did you chew up one of your toys?
Get off me. Get off.
Do you think that throwing a tantrum and yelling at me is gonna... Let me finish the question. Okay.
Oh, your smile's so cute. Smile.
But my name is Imori. Oh, why your ears go up like that? Did you just? Oh, get down. Get down. Bye.
What I tell you?
Ain't no river wide enough, baby. If you tell me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter what, don't worry.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Hey, Rory. Some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside. You're not made for this cold weather. You gonna come in? Okay, you just stay there.
Tina.
37 years ago last week, Eddie Murphy Raw premiered.
But word has already gotten out that Morris is going. And the old friends are coming around.
The door is here.
Long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Scoo-doo-doo.
I make this up, dog. Bro. They serious.
And I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
아니 그거 뭐야?
You just locked her in there. You hungry? You want to eat? Want some food? You're hungry?
Happy birthday, dear Maddie. Happy birthday to you.
Raven, leave it. Nope.
No.
Okay, if I turn. Ah!
If I, oh God, what is wrong? Hey!
What's gonna happen?
Hold on, buddy. Just apple pie.
I would say.
Gentle.
Gonna be
Lily, stop. Stop. I said stop.